So what this project really interests you or speaks to you? Anything in particular?
Just, celebrating the Imam's, 65 years of guiding us as a community.
Yeah.
And the song is so beautifully done. And the message and just the feel of it when they sent it to me and I heard, all these voices, I said, definitely.
Was that Ariana Grande I heard?
When me and Z were kind of putting together the song and then deciding who we wanted to bring on and stuff, it was very intentional that we wanted inexperienced vocalists and musicians and people in studio with more experienced ones. And one of the things me and Zaid always talk about that it's important for us as more experienced musicians is to try to inspire the youth and to inspire the next generation of singers. And I think that's really important, not only for us, but important for the community. It's important for other artists to start creating beautiful pieces.
I work on different projects every day of my life, and it's really rare to work on special projects like this. The last project that we worked on was super special and had tons of peaks and valleys and late nights and early mornings and 5 a.m.s and crunch time, deadlines, but it's always at the heart of it is love, community, faith, God.
What's the emotion that you're feeling?
Proud, in a way. Proud to be Ismaili, proud to have Mawlana Papa, and just very, very emotionally, with all the love of the Jamaat and knowing that they will be able to listen to this, and yeah.
We sincerely hope that if the only thing that comes out of this is a spark or a flame or a desire to continue in some way to connect with your gifts and to use those to inspire others and to share your love and light with others, that will have been the greatest expression of our Shukrana.
Exactly.
How are you feeling? How's it? Yeah, where are we?
Ismaili Sounds, Lisbon.
Yeah?
Yes, Charlotte.
And what are we doing here?
We are shooting the video for Imam-of-the-Time.
Yeah?
How was the morning? Tell us what happened.
It was fantastic. It was fantastic. The music is wonderful. We had to repeat it 100 times, but every time we repeat it, the music is so good that I'm getting a little bit emotionated with this.
4, 5, 6. That's it. This will be easier when you do a track.
It's been a long day today. Started at 5:30 in the morning, and still we've got a recording session to go. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
We're 10 minutes walking distance from the Ismaili Center in Lisbon, so Lisbon, Portugal, in Namush Studios.
I think there's a bass. We should split that out a little bit because there's 2 bass tracks.
Welcome to Portugal.
We have lots of history here. There's lots of Portuguese artists already recording here.
Famous artists?
Very famous Portuguese artists.
Like who?
Pedra Brunhosa, Rui Veloso, a lot of them. Yeah.
What's one thing you're gonna remember from this journey?
People coming together from all parts of the world to be able to put this project, in motion. The fact that people have given their time, their love, their sewa, it's amazing. It humbles you.
It's a funny thing because I'm Catholic and I think about the way we understand each other in this way of music, because I am a musician and this is the best way to communicate, to pray with God, and this is amazing to do.
Everyone, please take a nice deep breath in.
We're here in Toronto, preparing to record on the stage of the Aga Khan Museum. And I'm reminded of Prince Amin's words from the museum's opening, on this same stage, when he spoke about this being a place of cultural connection, and using art and culture to build those connections. To have this opportunity as Ismaili artists, to create this special piece in this special place is very profound. We hope it connects each and every murid around the world.
Alia, tell me, where are we? What are we doing here?
We're at the AKM. We're in the beautiful green room. We're getting everybody done up to start getting some first shots in there. Super exciting stuff. Woo! Yeah.
Been able to do this kind of thing in a while, so it's nice to get back with a lot of musicians in the same place.
My favorite line from the song, I think, would be, I could always hear your voice in my heart. We can always hear, we know he's always with us, and whatever we're doing, he's always there to guide us, and so it feels really special and it really resonates.
What does this music video mean to you?
Ooh, so much. I think obviously it attributes to our Imam, but also just a beautiful way to see some new and emerging artists and musicians come together. And
If you could use one word to describe how you're feeling right now.
Enlightened.
Magical.
Love.
Great.
Exciting. Well, I'm feeling that I'm living a dream.
A V formation birds flying together towards a common goal.
Shukrana. One word. The title of the song. Yeah.